Hi, how you doing there, broken Galaxy Z Flip 1? You doing good? A little bright, okay. Last time we spoke, I reviewed the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Loved the phone because I thought it would be a little bit more durable than the first one. And at that time, my Z Flip 1 was working, and it's no longer working. That was literally about a week ago. So here we are, twiddling my thumbs. I woke up this morning and the Z Flip 1 was totally broken. The bottom screen, as you can see, doesn't respond. The top screen visually is still there. This little mark, I made that one. Apparently you put your finger right in the middle of the screen and you push down, you'll make a bunch of dead pixels. You know, you like it that way, don't you? So today, yeah, I just woke on up and I said, oh snap. I haven't backed up my phone. How does one do this with half of the screen? Well, magic, Harry. This was also the stupid idea because this was like at 7 o'clock in the morning. So I was like, wait a minute. Let me restart the phone. Let's just restart the phone. This would be a really good idea. It's not. Because what happens is you'll have to insert your PIN number. Why do you have to insert your PIN number after you restart the phone, Samsung? Because you can. Thankfully, the touch screen was still working down here. The touch screen up here no longer works, man. So I can't touch anything at the very top of the screen or in the middle. So here comes the Galaxy S10 in all its glory. It's like 2-3 years old. I don't even know when I first got this, but it still works. I had this as a backup for this phone, just in case. I could use this screen as a guide for this screen. So all the PIN numbers and user interface, I kind of just looked at this and that was my cheat sheet on where to press on the screen. And of course, that only gets you so far. So I was able to unlock the phone. I grabbed immediately all that pictures and videos onto my computer to back them on up. Thankfully, again, that portion worked. So I updated everything and I threw it all to the Samsung cloud. I retrieved it on the S10. So I'm good to go now, baby, right? A long morning. That's what I had. I did order my replacement Galaxy Z Flip 3. It's coming in the mail. Should arrive, I think, on September 8th. So literally, I was so close to being able to send this phone on over to Samsung to have that trade-in offer. I think I would get like $400 trade-in value. And I would have that applied to my Galaxy Z Flip 3. But in this condition, I mean, first off, I don't want to send them my phone when it's got all my data on it, right? But then also, secondly, this screen's all messed up and I wouldn't get that $400. I did look up how much would it cost to fix this phone. And according to Samsung's website, fixing a broken inner screen costs $500. I don't know what to do with this phone truly though. If I were to close the screen, I believe that that's when this whole thing spreads of the dead pixel disease. I was this morning opening and closing it because I was like, what the heck? What happened? What's going on? I didn't hear any mechanical problems, but every time that I would open it and close it, I'm like, wait, is the darkness, is it growing? What's going on here? Let me see it again. I'm sure it's got something to do with, remember in that Z Flip 3 video, there was that line down the middle, which, I mean, it was just a line. And that had been the case for several months and it was perfectly fine, you know, like whatever. It's just a line, not a big deal. But apparently that must be the area that it's just separating, I'm sure, with the folding and closing. But it's a good flashlight, right? $1,500 flashlight. Well, makes me look pretty. Okay. Anyway, thank you all for watching again. Blah, blah, blah. In some period of time, my new Z Flip 3 will arrive. Hopefully it's in one piece. Hopefully it's not defective. We'll see. I'm a sucker. I love flip stuff. I love it. I think it's a great gimmick. And I go back to this brick phone, I'm like, what's going on here? The screen has a fingerprint reader. I'm like, is that convenient having it down here? It's all these weird things to go back to and think like, this was good? Are you sure? Could it be better? Yeah, I think it could be. It was better. Kind of was better. Durability. So the Z Flip 3, we'll see if it lasts me a year. It's butterfingers? I got butterfingers? I got salad fingers. No, I got fingers that just are slippery. There you go. I don't know what that's called. Butterfinger. I got butterfingers, yeah. What the hell is a salad finger?
I wonder what you taste like.